Hello everyone, my name is Zoe and welcome to my channel. It will be a long video, so please sit comfortably, make yourself a cup of tea, don't forget to subscribe, and let's start. 2 weeks ago I posted a video where I speak Arabic after 2 months of intense studies, and I got amazing feedback. A lot of native speakers texted me, a lot of people who are studying Arabic and also willing to study. And in this video I would like to share how I did it. The video will be divided into 3 parts. In the first part I will talk about studying Arabic in general, who are these brave people who study Arabic and why I've chosen Levantine dialect. In the second part I will talk about books, blogs, YouTube channels, a lot of useful resources that I've used. Also I will talk about where I found my teachers and how much all this cost me. And in the third part I will talk more about my method. I will show you the details of my study plan and what I did during these 3 months. I hope it will be useful. So if you only want to hear what materials I've used, just go straight to that part. I will put the timestamps in the description below. And let's start. I think there are 4 groups of people who study Arabic. First group, people who study Arabic in the universities. This is their major, and they start from studying modern standard Arabic or Fusha, and then in the end of their studies they choose a dialect they want to master based on their interest or future career opportunities. I really like this way because in the end you have profound knowledge of the language. Second group of people are those who already live in the Arabic speaking country. They work or study there, or in the most cases they are married to Arabs. So when they decide to learn the language, of course they choose the local dialect and they're completely immersed. They hear Arabic language every day, only if they're not living in Dubai or Qatar, and they can pick up in 1-2 years, they can start speaking it. Third group are people who decide to learn Arabic because of the religion they practice, Islam. I really admire the dedication of these people because it's very hard to learn Tajweed, to learn Quranic Arabic, but I think it's a very rewarding experience. And the fourth group, where I belong myself, this is Arabic language lovers. So these people, we have just a big curiosity in the Arabic culture, traditions, music, literature. We like to travel there, we have Arab friends, we like the food, of course. We have neighbors who speak Arabic. So we are not obliged to learn the language. It comes from pure love. We don't have this discipline to study Arabic for example 1 year. This is the answer to the question why I studied it for 3 months. I know how my motivation works, and I know that I can be committed only for a short period of time. So I designed my study plan. I designed it for 3 months. My goal was to speak with my friends, to talk to people when I travel, to understand the movies I'm watching and the music I like. So I decided to skip modern standard Arabic and to study colloquial spoken Arabic straight away. I read that there are 2 dialects that are widely understood among all Arabic speakers, Levantine and Egyptian, and I like how both of them sounds. But I had to decide, and I've chosen Levantine. So what is Levantine? It is the language that is spoken in Lebanon, Syria, Palestine and Jordan. And later on I discovered that they are a bit different also. I think dialects is just language learners' nightmare. When you're a foreigner, it's really hard to distinguish which words are used in which countries. So for example, in the video I posted, some people commented me that I use both Syrian and Lebanese words, but until now I have no idea what they're talking about. Yes, but I think it's okay. You understood. It's just minor errors that can be polished with time and practice. So now the golden part of the video, materials. I started, of course, with the alphabet. I learned how to write letters separately, how to write them together, how to write words, sentences, how to pronounce that. I learned about short vowels, ta marbuta, hamza, sukun, all these small details. Everything I learned from YouTube. There is a channel by Dr. Imran Alawiya, and he's an amazing teacher. He has a playlist on his YouTube and it's called Arabic for Beginners. He teaches how to write and pronounce Arabic letters, and I would say this is the only resource you need to learn how to write in Arabic. Every material I mention here I will post it down in the description. At the same time I started to listen to Pimsleur Eastern Arabic. This is an audio course and it has 3 levels, and every level has 30 lessons, 25-30 minutes each. So if I listen one audio every day, it will be exactly 90 days, 3 months, fit perfectly to my study plan. I would say 30% of my success was because of this audio course. I've never used Pimsleur before, and due to the lack of resources on spoken Arabic, I decided to give it a try, and I absolutely loved it. Except one thing, it's very expensive. One level will cost you $120, and yeah, I think it is expensive. But you need to listen a lot. You need comprehensible audio input in big quantities. So what I will do, I will listen one audio every morning. I will listen, answer aloud, pause, write down, reread, repeat, then take my notes and read them during the day. And here I would like to share one trick that I've used. So when I will write down the phrases from the audio, I would not use Arabic letters. Instead, I will use Latin letters and Roman numerals, just normal numbers. It's called Arabizi or Franco or Arabic chat language. Why would I do that if I just learned how to write in Arabic? First, speed. It will take me forever if I write it in Arabic script, and I'm not used to writing from right to left, so I would like to be able to write it fast. Second, I realized that spoken Arabic, you cannot really find anything written in that. So there is no books, no magazine written in the language you are learning. It's spoken language. Everything will be written in Fusha, modern standard Arabic. Also, I notice when I text my friends, they will reply me in this language, Arabizi. And I know it's now a big campaign about making people write everything in Arabic, and I totally support this, but I decided for myself that I will write it in Latin letters, so it's up to you. I must just say that it saved me a lot of time. Now books. So my general advice about books will be choose 1 or 2 books, really good books, and focus on that. Don't buy 10 and jump from one to another. Choose them, finish them, you'll be proud of yourself. I had 2 books, technically 3, yes. So the first one is called Syrian Colloquial Arabic. It's a good, big, classical grammar book with a lot of phrases, a lot of examples, both in Arabic script with transliteration. You can buy it on the official site. I also seen this book for free on one website. I hope it's shared there legally. That was my main book. Second book I have is called Wafa's Way, and the author name is Wafa Keish. It has 2 volumes and it is dedicated to Lebanese dialect. The book has errors and you can notice them even if you're a beginner, but what I like about it is that the words and sentences, they are divided in topics, so it's really a good book to build up your vocabulary. I think unfortunately there is no PDF version. I bought it in Beirut, but I've seen a website where you can order it. Next source, YouTube. YouTube taught me so many things, Arabic included. I found 4 good educational channels on Levantine Arabic. You can find them on my channel, listed to the right. I would like to mention 2 of them. One is called Spoken Arabic Simplified, and it's short videos presented by, I think, American girl. I don't know her name, but she has amazing accent. She's teaching Palestine dialect. I really admire her knowledge and skills, and it really motivates me when I hear her speaking. Second channel I like, it's called Learn Levantine Arabic. Short videos, easy to comprehend, friendly pace, very useful phrases. The channel is constantly updated. I really recommend it. So I would say I listen to every video on these channels. Some videos I listen more than twice. I will watch them, repeat, write down, deconstruct sentences word by word, and just carry this book with me and look whenever I have time. I'm following also 2 blogs. One is called The Arabic Student. Don't look that it's not really good design. There is a lot of very useful information there on a lot of dialects, a lot about Levantine dialect in particular. Another blog, it's called Team Maha. There are 2 teams on the website. One is studying Egyptian dialect, another one is studying Levantine. A lot of interesting information. You will love it. And finally, speaking and listening. This is the most important skill. I mean, it's called Spoken Arabic, so go speak it. I recommend you to start talking as soon as possible and learn from the native speakers. What I did is that I found 2 teachers. First one, a guy from Lebanon. I would meet with him once a week in my city in St. Petersburg for 1.5 hours, and it will cost me $15. Second one, girl from Syria. I found her on italki, and we will meet 2 times a week, spend 1 hour talking, and I paid for that $7. What I think about italki, I really love and recommend this website. There are 23 teachers that can teach you Levantine Arabic there, which is not a lot. I personally like to change teachers, to hear different voices, different manners of speaking. So if you want to try this website, you can enter my referral code, which I will put down, and we will both get $10 from that. What I think about language exchange. You teach me Arabic, I teach you English, I teach you Russian, you teach me Arabic. Never worked with me. I think when you pay money to your teacher, you are both motivated to spend time productively, and all the attention is concentrated on you, on your progress, on your stupid questions again and again and again. So I would say pay money for your tutors. I would also like to mention 2 communities of Arabic learners that I really like. First one is on Facebook. It's called Let's Learn Levantine Arabic. It's a small, cozy community where you can share, ask questions, communicate, post things, and people answer you very quickly there. Second one is on Reddit. It's called Reddit/Learn Arabic. Also a good place. There's more than 10,000 people there. Also nice place to communicate, share, post, have fun. I found this photo recently that made me laugh very hard. Take a look at that. So that's it. These were all the resources I've used. Of course, I also listen to music, watch TV shows, movies, listen to native media. I will make a separate video about that. Now I will talk very shortly about my method. I studied every day and I focused on the materials I mentioned in this video. Normally I will listen to 1 audio in the morning from Pimsleur, then I will watch 2-3 YouTube videos in the evening, and during the day I will reread what I studied yesterday, I will read the grammar book or one blog post. I was meeting with my teachers 3 times a week. On the second month, 2 times a week, and practice talking. I really like to track my activities, so now I will share with you 1 month of my study plan. I did it in Excel, so take a look at that, please. So if you paused and took a look at that, you will notice 2 lines that are called scriptorium and Anki. I will explain it now. What is that? Scriptorium is an exercise where I will write down the stories and some facts about myself that I want to be able to tell in Arabic, and then I will translate them in Arabic, and the things that I don't know, then some specific vocabulary about me, I will go and ask my teachers, and so in the end we will make a complete story with proper grammar and with vocabulary about me, and I'll learn it and use it when I talk to people, for example. Anki. What is Anki? Anki is just a program based on spaced repetition system. So it's basically a digital flashcards. You can download ready-made flashcards or you can make them yourself. I would use that every time I'm standing in line or commuting and really build my vocabulary with that. And that's it. Thank you a lot for watching. I hope it was useful. I wonder how many times I said Arabic in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will make more videos in Arabic and about Arabic language. And thank you again. Bye bye.